Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be going through a complete machine learning project where we predict the likelihood of heart attacks based on past data. I'll explain each step and the code involved. So now, before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so we're going to first start by uploading our dataset, which if you're in Colab, an easy way to do this is to put this code right here. It gives us a little prompt where you can choose the file and upload it. The dataset will be in the description. It's on Kaggle. It's called the heart disease dataset if you can't find it on Kaggle. And if you're on the desktop version of Jupyter Notebook, all you have to do is import the path that the dataset is located in. Right, so let's go ahead and start by importing pandas, and then taking a quick peek at our dataset. Alright, so next, let's go ahead and conduct exploratory data analysis, or EDA. This process involves generating descriptive statistics to understand our data better, check for missing values, which both of those are crucial for our next step. So let's go ahead and do that now. Right. Alright, so go. Alright, so the next step would be to handle our missing values. There are several strategies to do this, but for simplicity, we'll fill the missing numerical values with the mean and categorical values of the mode. Let's go ahead and do that now. That, make sure everything is good. Alright, looks good. Fine. Go ahead and rewrite that. Here. That's the problem. Right. Screwed up a parentheses somewhere. I think it's that one. Alright, there we go. So data preprocessing also includes encoding categorical variables if they're present, and scaling our features. So now we'll split our data into features, which are independent variables, and labels, which is the outcome that we're trying to predict. So let's go ahead and do that now. Just trying to do all that right yet, at least. There we go. Let's do remainder equals. Right. I think we missed a parenthesis here. Right there. There we go. Closes. Looks good. Alright. Good. Let's go ahead and run it. Got an error. So one parenthesis here. Closes a parenthesis here. Go ahead and do that. Outcome should be lowercase, I believe. No. Go ahead and, oh, output. All right. This former is not defined. It's defined right here, so go ahead and take a look at what happened. And it's foamer is what I put. All right. Took a while, but finally done with that. So now with our predictive model, we'll use logistic regression. The standard choice for binary classification problems. We'll instantiate the model, fit it into our training data, and then make predictions on our test set. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, good. Right. It prints out our accuracy too, so go ahead and do that. Our accuracy was 88.5%, which is fairly accurate. Means that around 88.5% will predict accurately. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.